Welcome to this tutorial on Grammarly, a digital writing assistant that supports clear and effective communication. It's free on the Chrome Web Store. It assists in finding errors in spelling, grammar, punctuation, sentence structure, and style. You can install Grammarly by going to the Chrome Web Store. Once it's installed, it will automatically work with all your Google tools. As you type, Grammarly is silently working in the background to help you polish your writing. All you have to do is pay attention to the little red lines that appear below your typed text and hover over those words. Grammarly will offer a suggestion for a change that may need to be made. Select the choice that best corrects the problem or click Dismiss if Grammarly didn't quite get it right this time. So, install Grammarly and start on your journey to better writing.